Hey, good morning guys, it's Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and we are at Jasper Jeep Jam this morning. It's the first time I've been here, and getting everything ready to run some trails. I'm going to tag along. Michael from Arkansas Off-Road Adventures is leading the trail, and I'm going to tag along with Steven Westfall and kind of film it. I got my Jeep set up, don't really want to mess with it, so I'll bring you guys back for that here in a minute. Jessie today, she's going to be taking a group to Irby, which is toward the Buffalo River. There's a homestead down there called the Parker Hitman place, a really absolutely awesome historic place there. I'm going to be dropping south, going kind of toward Big Piney Creek. We're going to be taking a trail called the Hurricane Trail. So everybody's got radios? Y'all good? Good? Okay. He's got a spare. Hey guys. Not sure how well the audio is going to pick up on this thing, but we just left Jasper and to go check out this trail. So y'all enjoy the video. Off-Road Adventures.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Watching this storm down here near Limestone, and this is likely going to be, producing very large hail and also maybe a tornado at some point.
It was swirling. I was like, I don't like that. I don't like that. That one was doing just a minute ago. Yeah, it was swirling. I was like, no, go away. Go to Texas.
Style. Smoker Crowfish will be on the couch watching movies, drinking bourbon. What Smoker Crowfish will be doing when it starts raining. I ain't no dummy.
What's going on, bro? Is it gonna rain?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There's about a 15% chance of participation.
Hope it's a bad one. I love it.
Precipitation, not participation.
You look at the weather.
Yeah.
You got another one that's from 6 to 7 that's coming through just like this one.
Yeah. This is
Just a band.
Yeah, this is gonna be a little squash.
About 45 minutes to an hour.
We've all retreated to inside. This is the new venue now. We had just got back off our little trail ride, so yeah. Well, Tim was smart. Tim got an inside booth.
That's right. I lucked out.
Yeah. He said his mama ain't raised no fool. Yeah. So we're just gonna kind of wait this out and see what comes up. Hi guys, it's been about 30 minutes since the last shot out here, and look at this. Like sunny and 75. This weather around here is wild. All right, we're just gonna walk around, see what we can get into. All right, guys, we're here at Jasper, Arkansas, overland hunting, and we're in search of the rare and mystical Shorticus manicus, also known as the Arkansas pygmy. It's a rare and feisty little overlander, and we've been looking for one. I think we have eyes on them. Yeah, we see one. We see one. But you got to be real careful and sneak up on it from behind. It's real aggressive, very, very ornery, and will bite. So you got to come up to it from behind. There he is in his natural habitat. A Jeep with way too much stuff that he never uses. Oh shit, he spotted me.
What are you doing, Bradley? Getting in my Jeep, going home. I'm taking this and going to the house.
Don't be a baby.
Gonna get your pot of gold. Little fella. All right. What kind of goodies have you got up front up there right now? Can you see some shiny stuff?
Well, there's brake pads.
Not brake pads.
Brake pads.
Yeah.
He's got those in the back too.
Well, he's got this strap thing here. I don't know if this is tying his
Cut that
rims to his
loose.
axle or what.
That wire is slowing him down. Hang on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut that right there.
I want to go up here. Look, I'm coming
Just
underneath this.
don't, you don't need that.
Can you loosen that? Yeah.
Yep, you don't need that
Loosen
right
that.
there. Let me bleed these brake lines real quick.
Yeah. This is a premium muffler.
Oh,
Look,
man.
this is a race muffler.
Woo, man, look at this big old shit. That's a nice skid plate. That's a real nice skid plate.
How much horsepower does this muffler have?
That's got at least
300.
40.
30, 40 horsepower?
Yeah, easy.
Every sticker is 30 horsepower.
Sticker is 5 horsepower?
Yeah.
That's what I heard too. Look, Chris has worked long and hard on this thing. It actually is really cool. We don't really know what we're looking at.
To be a YouTuber and everything, well, you got to have welder friends, and you know, this is the kind of stuff that we run into all the time. So just remember that before you want to go off and buy a bunch of cameras and become a YouTuber. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, that's an Overlander rig right there.
That's an Overlander.
That's overkill.
That's over. I remember that when you want to put something on that overkill. Now you got to have friends in the right places, because you never know what's going to happen, especially with Mr. Break It over there. Wreck It Ralph.
Why do you think I use 5160 for my knives? Some of the toughest steel out there. It dropped off the hill back there.
How?
And then snapped off.
So yeah, the wind and rain's kind of come back, all while he's welding. I don't know what kind of friend he is, but I would say he's a good one. Or what kind of dirt you got on him, one of the two.
Well, this will cool the welds off real quick.
Yeah.
Sure.
Well, you can see the sun coming right behind it.
I was like, this is gonna last like 2-3 minutes.
Yeah. The rain ends and the drawing begins.
That's I was thinking, I was like, 8183. That's a boom. What's it into them people?
Better move
Oh, I
fast.
almost burned that one. I didn't hear no. Another adult ticket.
Damn it, Brad, you're too tall. Can't see over your head. All right, so nah, I had steak. Appreciate it though. So we had like 70-mile-an-hour winds and hail. Everybody seemed to come out all right. A little wet, but all in all, it seemed like everything's come out all right. Tornado sirens went off, all that fun stuff. I think a few people lost tents and a couple of awnings, but the awnings were earlier that day. So let's go over here to Big Rock, see how they're doing. How you guys doing? How'd y'all manage?
We did pretty good. Nothing broke.
Oh, let me make sure you're in focus. Ooh, manual focus. There you go.
Yeah, nothing broke.
Good deal.
All of our stuff's still standing. We sat over here under this porch and watched the whole thing.
That's pretty wild there for a minute.
Yeah, it got really.
We seen people leave.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. People were hiding in the bathroom.
And it was kind of funny because Michael called for a tornado watch, and it took him about 20 minutes to actually issue it. He was like, "Nah, I see it."
That's wild.
Yeah, now it's
This
like super
gazelle
calm.
tent almost
This
took
is the
off.
least amount of wind we've had all day.
Yeah, that's Farrell's. Jess's. She, it broke earlier.
Yeah, I had to run out there and read.
Tim putting his awning away.
Alright, brother. Appreciate it. Don't forget your Pepsi. Oh, where's my Pepsi? Where's my
forget the
Pepsi? We're not
Table,
good.
on the table.
Get my Pepsi. What's happening, man? Filming tonight?
Saying what you were doing over here.
Saving people.
Saving people.
Community service.
The goodness never stops with
That's
Brad.
what 870 is all about, man. It's
Yeah.
family, friends, fun, and frolicking. I had to come
We're here
up
to
with
give
a
back to the community,
community, yeah. Well, it's, you know, I'm on work relief.
right?
Yeah. Did you drink out of this?
I did.
Me too.
I got out of
I'll
it.
drink it
I got
years.
out of it before 5 or 6 other people did. I would have loved to have tried what you had last night, but after it made the community pass, isn't that
That's
good?
good, Rev.
That's true. Yeah.
It's like,
And the whole time I was like, worst case, I'm just gonna go crash at the cabin tonight.
What kind of shenanigans y'all fellas up to?
All kinds of shenanigans.
Where the guy, the next one that says shenanigans, I'm gonna pistol whip him.
Hey, what's that place you like?
Shenanigans?
Shenanigans?
Ooh. All right, guys. So it's been a quite the adventurous day today. So a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of everything. So I think we're gonna call it a night. Sit around the fire a little bit and try this again tomorrow. Maybe I can get some vendor interviews and that kind of thing. So go hit the like, subscribe, guys. Go check out the Overland 870 page. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe in there. And until next time, guys, Semper Fi and God bless.